What if I told you that ignoring your accounting is silently draining your profits, and it's easier than you think to fix it? If you're a business owner, chances are you're struggling to keep up with your finances. According to a recent study, 60% of small business owners say they feel they're not knowledgeable about accounting. What if I told you there's a simple way to stay on top of your numbers and avoid costly mistakes, even if you hate bookkeeping, which I talk about in another video? In this video, I'll show you 5 reasons why ignoring your accounting is costing you and how to fix it. Let's start with reason number 1, missed opportunities. Imagine this, you're running a successful online community, but you're so busy managing it day to day, which could be continuing to improve on your course offerings, creating content, engaging with and helping members, etc. So busy that you may not be taking the time to track key metrics. Without proper tracking, you're missing trends like when your revenue spikes, or if you have multiple price points, you may be missing which ones are the most profitable and what's truly driving your results. This may not sound like it's related to accounting, but it's absolutely an accounting function. Accounting isn't just about taxes or recording transactions. It's about seeing the bigger picture. Accounting also includes setting and monitoring various metrics and understanding how that data can help you see what's happening in your business, and it informs where you should focus. With the right system in place, you can identify what's working, cut through the noise, and scale faster. You may think selling an offer at a certain price point is the best way to help you reach your goals, but what if the way you've chosen to deliver your offer is causing reduced profit, or the time effort translates into reduced profit? If you ignore your accounting, you may be pushing full steam ahead without seeing you can make a shift that would maximize your profits. Your numbers are always telling you a story, but you're missing it because you're ignoring them. Okay, reason number 2 is poor cash flow management. You might know that 80% of small businesses fail because of cash flow problems. You can be profitable on paper, but still run out of money if you're not tracking your inflows and outflows properly. Imagine running out of cash just when you're ready to make an investment that'll get you to the next level. And here's how it can happen. Let's say you're hitting your revenue targets, or even revenue is increasing, so you think everything is great. But let's also say your costs have been increasing at the same rate or higher than revenue has been increasing. Not only is this going to squeeze your profits, but it's also going to impact your cash flow. Or let's say you require making a larger than normal investment, or you typically have predictable and a stable revenue, but have a period of significantly decreased revenue. If your expenses are mostly fixed, you may have a period where your cash outflows are more than your inflows. All this can happen separately, and if you're not paying close enough attention, they can have a negative impact on cash flow that will be difficult to manage. If you're monitoring your cash flow, inflows and outflows of cash, and even better, using a cash flow forecast, you can see exactly what's happening and act to be prepared for unexpected events. It's also important to monitor the patterns of your cash flow, especially when there are delays between revenue is earned and when funds are received into your bank account. Staying on top of your accounting helps you avoid all kinds of surprises. Okay, reason number 3, overpaying on taxes. Without proper attention to your accounting, you might miss deductions like software expenses or home office costs. These savings can add up quickly. Miscategorization of transactions can lead to missing deductions. Also, if you're behind on your record keeping and you rush to get caught up so your taxes can be filed, this can lead to mistakes. Something I see often is a commingling of personal and business expenses, and if you're ignoring your accounting, you can fall into this habit and easily miss business expenses that were paid using a personal account. It takes a long time to comb through records, and as time passes, it's easy to forget or overlook. Keeping your records up to date and regularly monitoring the activity in your business can save you thousands every year. Reason number 4 is ineffective decision-making. How do you know when it's time to hire help or invest in marketing? Without accurate financial data, you're guessing, and guessing can be expensive. When your numbers are clear, your decisions become more informed and more strategic. Let's say you're ready to invest in paid advertising or social media manager. You trust that making these investments will increase your revenue and profit, but you likely won't see the increase immediately. Also, you get the trust that the investments will pay off by using accounting tools. You can determine the amount to spend on these investments and plan how to align your goals to your day-to-day operations. For example, when you're ready to hire someone, you'll see how it impacts your capacity and what level capacity the new person will have. You'll also see how this ultimately impacts your revenue, profit, and growth plans. When you're paying attention to your accounting, you can see exactly when it's best to make these investments. And finally, reason number 5, increased stress and anxiety. Ignoring your accounting is costing you your peace. I'm confident that no one likes scrambling during tax season or feeling unsure about their business's financial health. Accounting systems are like the GPS for your business. They guide you and reduce the amount of stress and uncertainty. This one speaks for itself and doesn't require much explanation. And one principle I like to live by is to make everything okay. And another is each day, each moment is an opportunity to start new. In this context, it means release the judgment of where things may stand today or what happened in the past. If you ignored your accounting, awesome. It's okay. You're still here. And if you desire a different result or outcome, the slowest way to get there is to focus on the past. The fastest way is to make it okay and make a different choice going forward. Simple as that. So, speaking of different choices, how do you avoid these costly mistakes? It's simpler than you think, and it's free. I created a Skool community for business owners just like you. The group is free, and I'm here to guide you step by step on how to master your finances, avoid these pitfalls, and set your business up for long-term success. When you join, you get access to my step-by-step framework that guides you through selecting the right accounting systems and the type of out support you require at every stage of growth, from startup to making multiple millions. This means not only the tools required, but also what you should be looking at and looking out for and how often, and the knowledge that's key for you as a business owner, even if you have an accountant. In the group, you'll also get access to weekly Q&A and co-working sessions where I show up live to answer questions. I'm also available in the group to answer questions, and I provide additional financial management resources. So click the link to join us. I look forward to meeting you.